Vern's Junk Closet. How are you today? Thank you for being here. Remember, today is a good day to have a great day. Never stop dreaming. And remember, no one is perfect. We all have flaws. So thank you for being here. Today, I'm going to give you 13 amazing tips on how to improve your YouTube channel or to get more views, okay? So tips, tricks, and hacks. So stay tuned for the video. So get your pens and your paper and take notes, guys. This will help you, okay? Everything that I do for me may work, but you also can do it for you. Now, you do need to practice this and study it and see if it works for you continually, if you need to change it, if you need to tweak it, or whatever works for you. That's going to be amazing to see you get amazing results. Okay, so if you are new to YouTube, if you have less than 100 followers, you need to type your name in the SEO, and I will put here what SEO means. It's the Search Engine Optimizer, and there is where you type your name in the search bar. You should do that at least 2 to 3 times a week, 2 times per day, and hopefully that will boost your name up in the search engine, okay? The next thing, if you're under 100 followers, or I'm sorry, when you get to 100 followers, you can create a custom URL for your channel. So you would have to add some either numbers or letters to that, and I'll also see if I can add that somewhere into this video. Okay, so the first tip, guys, the first tip, on your channel you should have trailer videos. You have a chance to make 2, one for returning subscribers and one for your regular followers, okay? So I call it an intro outro video, but you should have one for each, and it shouldn't be that long, maybe 2 minutes or less, and have a trailer video, something short, quick, so some people can get in there, look at your channel, subscribe, leave you a message, and get back to watching the rest of your videos, because that's what you want. The next thing is featured channels. On the right hand side of your page, you have a option there to do featured channels. So say you wanted to feature Vern's Junk Closet. I'm just saying that. And you wanted to add me to your channel. Someone may come to your channel and be like, oh, they like Vern's Junk Closet. Let me click on her. That way you are helping your other community YouTube members. Okay, that's a tip. Get your pens and papers. I'm not finished. This is still number 1, okay? You should also have a banner. YouTube does give you about 10 to 12 banners to choose from, which is awesome, until you can go to a third party like Canva and also create a banner. Your banner should fit your channel. Whatever your theme is about your page, that is what you want to do. You also should have a profile picture at the same time. Now, at this time, you should have a name of your channel already before you even start your YouTube channel, and maybe think of a theme or a niche. Now, you don't have to have that, but it always does help so people can narrow down what your page is about. Even if you have a variety channel, at least they will know a little bit about what you do on your page. Now, you also have a thing called the About section. This is super, super important, guys. Your About section tells about your page. This is where you can welcome everyone in, tell them what your page is about, add your business email if you have one. You can add a P.O. box, and you can add up to 10 links. So if you have social media, you can add up to 10 links to that About section, and 5 of them will automatically go on top to the right hand side on your banner. That is amazing. People can click that and see what other social medias you have and follow you there for you to get more followers to your page, okay? The next thing is you should have a playlist. If you have a playlist set, you can put that on your main page. Now, on your main page, guys, this is very important. Your channel should be perfectly laid out with sections. And on that sections, you can add whatever you like. I'm just going to give you a few examples. You can add short stories. You can add series. You can add a playlist. This way, if someone comes to your page, maybe they like your page and they will keep watching your videos, and that is what you want. You want them to watch more than one video, okay? Number 2, your video, audio, and lighting. It should be good quality. I'm not saying to go out and purchase the most expensive microphone or camera or lighting, but if you have some decent lighting, you can go to your local hardware store and purchase some beautiful light bulbs and give you some nice lighting. So that is really important, guys. And make sure people can hear you when you project. You can also get microphones. I had one around here that you can also use. And I was going to use it for this video, but actually this one is okay. But you can get like an inline microphone and just have that and put it around your neck and plug it into your phone. That works also, okay? The next thing is if you have social media, again, don't forget to add that on your about section. Share yourself out. When you start to go live, when you start to upload videos, share yourself out on your social media and boost yourself and tell them, hey, I am going live. I am doing a video on YouTube. Come over there. Do it about 1 to 2 hours before you are uploading or before you are going live. Now, if you are over 1,000 followers, you will then have the chance to have a community tab. And you will get that between, I would say, 3 and 7 days after you hit your 1,000 followers. On your community tab, guys, use it. There is where you can share yourself out. You can share out your fellow content creators that may be going live or having a video. And you can also help them. That is awesome, okay? The third thing is promoting your videos, okay? Besides doing the social media thing, in your bio on your like an Instagram page, you can put your link on those or your Facebook page. Again, share yourself out. Promote yourself, guys. That is very important. The fourth thing is to engage. Engage with your chatters, with your other community members of YouTube, okay? Respond to their comments. If they leave you a comment on your video, don't just leave a one-word comment and don't leave a bunch of emojis. Respond back. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. You may also like to see another video. You have to promote yourself to get yourself out there. This will help you, okay? The next thing is number 5. Tags, title, thumbnails, and description. They should all kind of sync or match in some kind of way. I'm not saying you have to have the same name for all, but however, say if you do a thumbnail and a title. Okay, in your title, such as this, I may say, ways to increase your YouTube channel. But on my tag, on my thumbnail, I'm going to put 13 great ways, and then you go into the title. In your description, you will tell what that video is about, what it's entailing. And then your tags will also go along with your thumbnail, your description, and so forth. Okay, that's very important, guys. Go back and re-tag your old videos. If you have not had tags on your old videos, go refresh them. Add some tags that matches the title and description, okay? Another good thing, guys, is to add end screens and end cards. And I will populate one somewhere in here and you will see it. I'm going to try to put it here. Hopefully this matches up, but you'll see what I'm saying. So when you do that, that leads viewers to look at another of your videos. And this is what you want, okay? Number 6, be consistent. If you can get on a schedule when you upload your videos or when you go live, or even when you do premieres. Say if you do it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 o'clock. As long as you're in that range, it could be 2:30, it could be 3:30, but in that range, try to be consistent. Because when your followers are following you, they will know and have your bell on and be like, oh wow, Bernstein Closet is going live at 3. Let me go over there and check it out. These are some tips. Make sure you have your pens and papers. And if you have stayed this long, please subscribe to my channel. Like, share me out. Leave me a comment down below. Okay, let's get back into it. Number 7, be confident on screen. Be confident that you know what you're talking about. Do your research. Okay? If you get on the screen and you're lackadaisical and, hi, welcome, no one's going to want to see that because you don't have anything that is engaging to them, that's inviting to them. So make sure you're confident and do your research on whatever subject or topic that you have. Number 8, learn your analytics for your page. Now this I will probably do another video on just analytics and how to read them. But guys, it's very important that you go into your YouTube studio and you learn how your page is performing. Maybe some videos are performing better than others. Then maybe at that time you may want to do another video that's similar to that to get more views, to get more people to reach out to your videos and to view them. Okay. Number 9, like your own videos. Thumbs up your own video. Do you like your video? Then give it a big thumbs up. Yes, like your own videos. If you have not, go back and start liking your videos. Okay? Also correct your settings on your YouTube page. There's a thing called standard YouTube license, and I will try to insert it somewhere here on how to get there or the path. What you should do is if you don't want anyone using your videos like under the Creative Commons, and you want to make it standard YouTube license where no one else can use your video but YouTube. Number 10, get out of your comfort zone. Get out of your comfort zone. Don't just stay in the genre of your YouTube videos. If you only do sewing, don't just stay in the sewing. Get out. Go to the crocheting. Go to the scratching. Go to the makeup. Go to other genres so you can get different viewers and new people coming to your page, because that is what you want to thrive, as I like to say, or grow on YouTube. Okay? Number 11, do collabs. Collab with other content creators. This will help you because if they have, I'm just going to say an example, 5,000 viewers and you only have 1,200, that is 5,000 more eyes on you. Okay? And vice versa. That's 1,200 more eyes on them. So doing collabs, making sure you are talking to the content creator that you are collabing with, making sure that you are on the same page, making sure the topic that you guys are talking about will come to fruition. And I wish you all the luck in that. But collabs are awesome. Try one. Number 12, pin comments to your videos. Okay, so after you upload a video, say you do a live or a premiere, go back and pin a comment saying, hey, thank you for being here, and say, this is another video on my page that you may be interested in or that you may like. So when you're pinning the comment, also pin one of your own videos that is similar to the video that you're making at that time. That will keep that same person looking at your content. That's 2 videos that they're looking at. That's more viewing time for you. Okay? Number 13. YouTube has a thing called the Creator Academy. If you are not familiar with this, you need to go over there and check it out. It's almost like a school with the syllabus. You watch a video. At the end, you take a little small test, a couple of questions they ask you. When you're done, if you complete it and pass it, you actually can get a certificate that you can print out. This is in the Creator Academy, guys. Make sure you are doing that, okay? The next thing is just a little bonus. Pray over your channel. If you are spiritual, I pray over my channel just so you don't have any negativity coming in. So if you're positive vibes and good energy like I am, pray over your channel before you do that. And then I had another one for you, but I'm sorry, I can't think of what it was. But again, making sure that you are doing premieres, making sure you're doing lives, making sure you're doing uploading videos. You have to be consistent, guys. This will help you. And I'm hoping you guys got something out of this. So I am Vern's Junk Closet. Again, please subscribe to me, please share this video out. Leave me some comments down below if you'd like me to do another video, a similar kind of this. And I thank you guys for being here. I wish you all the best. Love and light. Bye.